Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I'm going to be flipping through all of my planners for the month of October since we are in November. So I do have my journal, my meal planner, wellness planner, social media, and catch-all as always. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my meal planner and show you all of the spreads that we did in October. So yeah, let's start with the currently. So this is Spooky Chic from Cosmetic Plants. All of these flowers and these lovely little like clouds. And then this is from Rang Rang from her Halloween book. So I tracked Toa's food and then 3 favorite foods that Alec and I had for dinner in October. So we had really good turkey meatballs, butternut squash. It was a soup. And then we went to a new Korean restaurant that was absolutely stunning and delicious. So how lucky are we? This is also Spooky Chic from Cosmetic Plants. I'm just going to adjust my camera so you guys can see all of it. So yeah, this is her first one. Yeah, this is her first one. She had these lovely like clouds of smoke, or I don't even know what to call it, but I really love that. And then all of these like skulls and bones with florals, and I thought that was just stunning. Then up here we have ideas for dinner, breakfast, soups, dinner, and salads, and my grocery lists. So that is not decorated, it's fully functional. Okay, this is the first spread of September going into October, and this one is from Crafty Planner Queen. It's called Autumn Spice. I fell in love with this beautiful like vintagey junk journal type of images from her, and I think they are so stunning. I could not help myself but create this. So let's see, this week was nothing big that I had, so yeah, no big deal. Yeah, looks like I was out for a conference here. This is from Easter Case from one of the fall books, I believe. Don't remember which book, but it is simply beautiful. And I love how vibrant these images are. They're definitely very Halloween-y in preparations for Halloween. This is a pretty great spread. This is Spellbound Aesthetic from Crafty Planner Queen. I really loved all of her little quotes and stuff. If you want to purchase a printable from her or even physical items, you can use Kasha15, so KASIA 15 for 15% off your purchase. I am so excited to be able to share this with you guys. Her images are stunning. Then we have this one, which is also Crafty Planner Queen, same one. So we have Spellbound Aesthetic. So super, super beautiful. Look how awesome these images are. So you have like a, what is that called? A bench with pumpkins. I cut these pumpkins in half to fit them. Like, look at this little pumpkin house. Like, so adorable, right? This is also from Crafty Planner Queen. It is one of her fall $2 Tuesday pages. So I am part of her club where every Tuesday she gives us a new printable. It is $2 a week to join, so roughly about $8 a month. So yeah, these are stunning. And this is my currently for November. But yeah, so that is this one. So it is meal plan. I love my planners, as you can tell. Put a lot of love into them. This is going to be my meal planner. So let's go ahead and find October. There we go. This is an old planner that I used, and now I also incorporated the Celestial Elegance in it. So this is October. This is Autumn Splendor from Cosmetic Plants. I just fell in love with these like line arts, and I needed to include it in here, and I think it's so stunning. So yeah, workout 2 times a week did not make that. Eat a lot of meals at home. We probably ate out more than ever. Get a sleep schedule. Nope, that didn't happen. And look, I'm yawning, so that's bad. Walk with Tawa, we did some. And then journal and mindfulness. So this week was a flop. This month was a flop, you guys, but it happens. These stickers are from Crafty Planner Queen. It's that spice one that I showed you. It's like a journaling kit. This is just so stunning. I could not help myself again. So this is one sticker, this is one sticker, and then I use those individual ones to kind of put stuff all around. So yeah. This one is from Easter Case. This is one of the Halloween books. Don't remember which one exactly, but this is a Halloween one, and it came out pretty good. So let's see. I've been really, really good about keeping track of everything, but yeah, we're going out a lot. This one is one of my favorites. This is from Etsy. I found this witch, and I needed to have her. She is meant for a canvas, not necessarily a sticker. So it is an extremely large image, just so you know. And then this is from Easter Case. It's like the Gothic countess or something like that, and she had those images in there. This is Crafty Planner Queen, and it's like pink fun retro Halloween. I love how that came out, and obviously I did pink dots, so that was pretty good. This is Chic Fall from Live Love Posh. I just thought that like the spilling candy here was a fun a little touch and a little bit different. I think I would like to match these up a little bit more, but other than that, I do like the spread. And then this one is just so stunning, and I know it's Halloween technically, but I just had enough of spooky, so I did this, and it is like a fall. Let's fix this. It's like jars of fall and leaves and just gorgeousness. So I combined 3 different jars and made a spread out of it, and I thought that came out really, really good. It's just very like fresh and bright, and it does bring me a lot of joy because it's warm. And this is my currently page for November. So again, this is my meal planner. Oh my gosh, wellness planner. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore, you guys. Okay, so October, and here we have Dance of the Dead from Easter Case and Aesthetic Plans. So spooky chic. And this is kind of what it came out like, and I love it. So this all is one sticker here, and I added different elements to kind of fill in the pages. I love how that came out. Let me know what you guys think, but I am in love. This is from Crafty Planner Queen. I really like this one too. It was one of those pages that I purchased from her, and it is stunning, you guys. Just so stunning. Like the florals are beautiful. The girl is just yeah, she's so chic. I love it. The pumpkins are beautiful. Like everything about this makes me just smile. And of course I had to redate this planner as it is outdated as of now. And then these dots are like the washi dots that I use. So yeah, that came out good. Then this one is Spooky Chic from Aesthetic Plans. This is the one from last year. So this planner is actually a simple or simply layout. And then I use the quads from Live Love Posh to subsidize what I need in this planner. So there we go. Same thing here. So this side, so these are double-sided. And then these stickers are Daily Florals from Calva Plan. I've been using her book so much that I'm glad that I purchased more than one, because it is on a brink of like no stickers. So yeah, this is the fall sticker book from Live Love Posh, and I just did different elements, and I thought that came out good as well. Obviously, I didn't complete this, but yeah, sometimes life gets in the way. It was a crazy month. This is from Easter Keys called The Flower Love Language. These stickers are just so stunning. I wanted something brighter, so there we go. And then this one is just different things that I'm creating here. And then this is November currently. So there's that. Let's go through my catch-all. It is so chunky, you guys. It is a chunky monkey in here. Okay. So this is a currently page in October that I created. It is a Halloween from Rang Rang. And then obviously Mojo Jojo plans. So we have crafting. I made dog bandanas this month for Halloween for work. Feeling stressed, reading Pumpkin Spice Cafe. If you guys are reading this, let me know what you think. Cooking, grain bowls, loving lots of Korean food, decluttering the guest room, celebrating birthdays, watching Gilmore Girls, and my goal is to self-care. This is such a stunning spread to me. So we have monthly florals from Calvin Klein, and this girl is from Red Lyrics. A very fall one. I wanted some yellow on this side, and I think this came out so good. I did not use the habit tracker, but other than that, this spread was stunning. And this is a collaboration that I did with LPL Print House. We did a little hocus pocus a week, and I think that came out so cute. Their stickers are just so elegant, no matter for what holiday. So very, very stunning. Then this one is Crafty Planner Queen. I took quite a few different things that she has created for fall and combined them. So like these girls are from one page. These are from a journaling kit. This and this are from a different page. So yeah, it was just like a lot of little things that I really enjoyed creating. So let's see. Oh, we had a barbecue with dogs up here. I'm just looking to see what we did. I went to a pumpkin farm. It was my dad's birthday. Here I was at Topgolf and away on a conference most of the weekend. And then I got sick, of course, right? Then we have Spooky Cinema, and that's from Crafty Planner Queen. And I really played with the spread to make it as full as possible. So I even drew in boxes with like lines on it. And I think that came out really good. So we have this cute spooky girls and a lot of movie things. And I used some washi, and I think that came out quite good. Yeah, let's see. Still sick. Then with Nacho Night. Have coffee with my girlfriends. Celebrated birthdays. This is a Etsy weekly spread that I had and I wanted to use. I think I had it last year and I never used it. This is as full as my planner gets, I think. So yeah, that was an interesting one. I had a hair appointment. I went to visit a coworker. I cooked a lot one night before to get her the food. Let's see. We had dinner. We visited my parents. Our trick-or-treating is on Sunday in my little town. So it's Sunday before the Halloween from like 1 to 4, and that is so convenient because then you're home and you can give the kids candy, right? Then this is from the Falling Leaves from Mr. Case. I am obsessed with this book. It is so stunning. So I made two kind of significant scenes here. I did want to make it as full as possible, but we have this girl walking towards the house, and there's like these colorful trees in the background. So I just want to make that. And then the second one is this rocking chair with this grass like by it, and all the colors are kind of blending in there. So I really like how that came out for sure. So yeah, we had my dog in my office for a bit. That was interesting. I had a date night with Alec. Halloween, we closed early. We went to some birthdays. Then we had a doggy for a weekend that we were dog sitting. So yeah, it was a full awesome weekend. And I made a similar spread for my currently in here, which I love. So that was my catch-all, and next is my journal. So I don't even know if my journal is completed for October, but if it's not, then it's not. So it starts with this. Oh yeah, I have not finished it. So yeah, I'm watching Gilmore Girls and Lydia Pollack. Dak Investigates is what I'm listening to, and Pumpkin Spice Cafe is what I'm reading. I still need to do the best memory for October, so I will do that. And I need to review my goals. So yeah, this month, like I said, did not go as great as I planned. So it is what it is. These stickers are from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. If you're not familiar, go ahead and visit her on Etsy. She draws all of these beautiful things. So yeah. And then this is a little calendar from her that matches as well, that I just attach into my planner and I create goals. This is stickers from Easter Case. I think it's called Trust the Seeds. And then these pumpkins are from Castatic Plans for sure. Like this is something that she combines herself. This is all the stickers here are same thing. So Castatic Plans, I think it's the Autumn Splendor or maybe the previous Autumn one. Don't remember which book it is, but these are from Trust the Seeds stickers. So super stunning. This is from Easter Case. All of these, they're different books that I found these things in, and I wanted to kind of make them. So some of them are fall, some of them are coffee. Just compiled everything together. Same thing here. I was going to make a cascade or something, but I really enjoy my full pages with just stickers throughout. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, this is kind of what I'm doing in here. I finished Gilmore Girls on October 27th. I cried. You connect with these characters so much. It's almost like they're part of your life at that point, and it's hard, right? Oh, and I did purchase the new Kindle. It's the Signature Limited. Regular one is just slightly bigger. I love it. And now we're in November. So that's all I have for you guys. You let me know what you think. Let me know which spread of this was your favorite, which planner is your favorite, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching.